mountain in Antarctica. There was an Eskimo village that is the most peaceful place ever. The Eskimo were celebrating.
Ho ho!
Oh, when the party was over, Adam went to do his secret business in the forest. Suddenly something appeared and captured him. Villager quickly came to the sheep house and told him.
Oh no, Adam is gone!
Oh no, let's find him tonight. Toto went to find Adam in the forest, but the sheep had to do a very secret mission, so he cancelled. Suddenly something appeared and... Finally, there is a villager. The villager quickly came to the sheep house and told him.
Oh no, Toto is gone!
The sheep went to call FBI. You are all father with
Hello?
Hi, I'm having a problem. People are disappearing from my village.
Apple open. I'm in the village tomorrow.
The next day, FBI arrived with a bicycle. Hi, let's go find the people today. I think something is capturing.
Okay, let's go.
They went to the forest and saw something. They saw the Yeti doing something. Suddenly, the FBI jumped out. Freeze! The Yeti stopped and ran away. The FBI followed. He went to his house and went in, seeing it playing with a villager. Finally, the village became peaceful again with the Yeti doing Canada.
Proficient!